So hi everyone, it's Lors here and welcome to my vlog. And as you can see here, ito nga yung mga libro ko. Ito yung recent na basa ko kasi may book tabs siya. So, yeah. So, I wanna share yung recent purchase ko, which is the, oh my god, like, okay. Which is the, wait lang. Hindi ko alam paano siya ipakita. But, yeah. Naghahanap lang ako like ng perfect spot kung saan ko siya pwede ma-demonstrate. Okay? So, ang binili ko ay stamp. So, actually, gusto ko kasi like yung mga books ko may mga names ko. So, para malaman talaga na book ko yun. So, as you can see here, like, stamp lang siya, ganyan, then, back! Diba? Ang ganda, girl. Kita niyo lang. Diba? From the shelves of Dorella Fabrica. So, ano lang siya? Stamp lang siya, ganyan. Pero parang ano siya, parang kulang sa ink. But anyways, na-demonstrate ko na. So, papakita ko kung paano siya lagyan natin sa mga books. So, sobrang daming books. And medyo mainit. So ano siya? Like, it's a stamp. So, ilalagay ko siya dito sa may ano ko. Book. Ganyan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's so cute. Like, oh, diba? Diba? So, currently, I'm reading the 101 essays that will change the way you think. So, I am really a slow reader. So, as you can see here, mga book tabs. And of course, makita nyo din here yung mga annotations ko. And also, may mga reflection ako here below. Mga kinemerot lang. Para if ever like sino magbasa next na itong book nito, makita nila yung chismis ko. Ganun lang yan, girl. Like, yeah. Of course, ito yung, ano ko, like, recent reads. So, Atomic Habits. So, stamp natin siya. 3, 2, 1. Per. So nice. Good to read. Like, ma-determine mo talaga kung ano mga changes mo dapat gawin, ano yung dapat mong i-work on in terms if you want to develop something sa self mo. So, yeah. Because we tend to focus sa goals natin. But, hindi tayo nagfo-focus sa process or the system in achieving those goals. So, yes, may book tab. So cute. And then, Dear Pussycat. So cute. I love this book. Kasi like, aside sa hardbound, mura lang din to siya. Because like, parang ano lang ata to? 100 lang ata to. 100. Tapos hardbound siya. Diba? Ano tayo? Parang librarian. And then next, wait lang. The Last Thing He Told Me. So, eto is parang mystery to siya. Ayoko mag-spoil ng stories. It's better if you read about it and yeah. Actually, si Maika ang nagbigay na to. Maika Salian. So, shout out, Mikes. And then, ito, binili ko siya sa Southway. 100 pesos lang siya. Ano din siya, mystery book. Kasi ako, like, I can be, yung mga type ko basta mga books, it can be like romance, it can be mystery, horror, mga adventure, wala lang. wala lang ako like steady na ano. Paminsan narrative. And yeah. Actually, I started reading since when I was still in high school in Ateneo. Nag-start talaga siya sa Wattpad. And then until that yun, parang nag-explore ako ng mga good reads, magandang basahin sa life. And yeah, but alam nyo, yung mga mga Wattpad books, nice yung mga books ngayon kasi hindi lang siya focus sa mga story ng characters. They also focus sa mga facts. So like for example, the college series, ganun. So yeah. Mga ganun lang. Kasi ang pangit naman na puro ka lang, yung story is purong landi-landi lang, wala kang matutunan, and it's useless. Maganda if meron ka talagang ma-learn. Cute talaga. And then yeah. Girl, I wanna share this. Diba? Hindi ako nakapag-annotate kasi naubos yung book tabs. I mean, yeah, not annotations, but book tabs sa book na to. But what I can say is, napakagandang story ito. Kasi hindi lang siya about love life, ganyan. It tackles more about faith, your trust, and then your profession. At saka may mga medical facts din here sa book na to, which I loved. And yun, maganda kasi when you're reading, tapos may natutunan ka din. So, I really like the guy here. Like, I hope he exists in real life. Kasi, like, chinika ko talaga to kay Tine. Like, I really like yung mga tipo na ganitong mga lalaki ba? Kasi aside sa matangkad, Japanese, may lahing Japanese, tapos, matalino, engineer, tapos, alam mo yung may faith, religious, ganyan. Ganun yung hanap ko, pero wala dito sa world. So, it's okay. Hindi naman ako naghahanap ngayon. Focus tayo sa ACADS and boards. Kasi, malapit na. Kahit natatakot ako, like, but, wala akong choice. Lahat naman hindi prepared. Diba? Diba? Next is Talk. Nice book. Angels and Demons by Dan Brown. Nakalimutan ko saan ko to siya, nakuha. Pero, siya, nice story siya. Parang mystery na may pagka-adventure. Yes. And of course, ito, The Laws of Human Nature. So, yeah. Hindi ko pa siya natapos. Kasi like, kasi, meron talaga yung book, may purpose talaga yan sa life mo. Matatapos mo siya kapag kailangan mo ito sa life mo. Yun. So, may purpose sila sa life mo. May perfect timing din yung ng mga books. The Last Cream Standing. Mura lang ito eh. 75 lang to. 75 only. Ay, eto. Hello. gift. At actually, hiniram ko to kay gift. Pero, hindi ko na to isauli sa kanya. Kasi, alam niya na, afford niya naman bumili ng bago. But, yeah. So, si Gift ngayon ay nasa Makati or Laguna. Ambot sa kanya. Kasi engineer na kasi siya. Doon na siya maghanap ng organic encounter niya ba. But yeah. If you're asking me about our organic encounter, ay, tinatamad ako mag-entertain. Like, siguro I'm too focus. Focus sa things na dapat i-focus. Kasi like, part ng goal ko is, yun na nga, yung magka-lisensya. Kasi like, pangarap ko talaga to. Ginusto ko talaga to. And ayoko masayang yung opportunity na meron ako right now. Kasi ang lucky talaga natin. Like, honestly, I really thank God for giving me this nice opportunity. Like, I always pray. Prayer works talaga. Kasi there was a time na I was like betrayed. Sabi ko, yun doon yung time na nagpray ako, Lord, sana tanggalin mo na lahat ng mga fake sa buhay ko. And yeah, natanggal naman sila sa buhay ko. And it's so nice na natanggal sila because doon mo marirealize kung sino talaga yung parang genuine sa'yo, genuine yung pakikitungo sa'yo. Yun. Kasi iba kasi, yun, they will just use you because they just want to use you, the opportunity you have. And sometimes, kailangan din natin ma-realize kung hanggang saan lang tayo. And before, I really, parang I always believe in good in people. Pero, yung good na yun ngayon, selected na lang. Kasi not all people will be also good to you. They will betray you at some point. But what's important is, you know how to stand strong. They will betray you in terms of friendship, relationship, and it's not your fault. But it's not, parang hindi na natin control ng mga taong ganun. It's out of our control. What we can control is our reaction to that certain situation. And yeah. Bakit siya may... So, other book. So, ito, academic book to. And, yeah. So, mga notes about nursing. So, basically, academic books. And then, we have the funda. So, kailangan natin yan. So, for the person who donated this, thank you so much. Because it is really helpful. Pero yun nga lang, wala yung chapter 1, book 1. So next, I wanna share to you ang pinakamakapal na med-surg book. So ito ay helpful talaga when you are in third year. Kasi dito ako nagbe-base if there are need mag-study. So, yeah. MS. Medical Surgical Nursing. You know, MS is one of my favorite subjects. Pero, hindi niya ako favorite. And then, pharmacology. It tackles about medicines. Yung tinatake natin. Meds. So, I really think for the donors of these mga libro, academic books, because I alone can afford it. Char. Yeah. San Francisco. Diba? So cute. And then next we have the study guide. Med-surg. So yeah. Tamang stamp lang. Para naman may identity ang books natin. So eto nga pala, as you can see, etong dictionary, since high school pa to. Yeah. Kasi hindi ako expert mag-Tagalog before. So, 65 lang siya. Siguro today, baka 100 plus na to. I'm not sure lang. So, yeah. Ang ganda, may identity na yung books ko. Yan siya. Diba? Ang dami ako libro dito. The reason why, kahit may iPad na ako, pero naglilibro pa din ako, it's because of my eyes. My eyes, yun lang nga. Madali siya mapagod if like, matagal sa phone, iPad. So, eto nga pala, physics. So, nung nag-engineering ako, helpful to kasi ginagamit ko to before. And then, of course, this one, practice test. So, important din to siya when you are, like, planning to take, NCLEX soon. Hopefully, ma-answer ko to. But, yeah, laban lang. Pero ginagamit ko siya kapag exams. Nag-practice test ako. Effective siya for me. Effective, very effective ang practice test for me. Oh, hello. Ay, cover ko pala siya. So, yeah. Ito lang talaga kaligayahan ko sa buhay ngayon. Alam yung this year, I promised myself that I'll be like focused talaga sa ACADS. No distractions, only ACADS. ACADS lang. Kasi kailangan natin mag-focus kasi dalawang exam ang iti-take natin. And the pressure is real. Because, you have the support, you have the, but what if, alam mo yun, what if, buyag-buyag. But alam ko na naman, slay ko yun. Because I know myself. Than anyone. Diba? Alam ko kaya ko. Because God prepared me for this. Alam niyo yung mga pinagdaanan ko to achieve what I have right now. And, yeah. So, I wanna share din pala. I have this bag. So, may mga tape flags, book tabs, ganun. Yan. Yan. 33. Sino to? Acrylic. Okay. Yes. Mga book tabs. I really love book tabs. Kasi, parang need ko siya if example, like, may certain chapter or part ka ng book na gusto balikan, at least alam mo saan siya mahanap because of the book tabs. Tingnan yung pusa na book tabs. Tape flags. Tapos yung ganito, I have mga book tabs, sticky notes, and of course, book tabs. Ang dami ko. Ang dami kong book tabs. And then I have this. Gawa ko to. And then kapag stress na ako, magaling lang eh. Charing. But anyways, yan na yun. Ito na talaga. Pakita ko na again. Satisfying talaga mag-stamp-stamp. Diba? It's so cute. From the shelves of Lorella Fabrica. Diba? That's life. When you have a hobby, you spend time with it. Siguro next vlog about golf. Kasi we're planning na mag-fairway. Kaso lang ba, makapagod kasi ang fairway. Sobra. Kaya paminsan, kapag mag-chika yan si Kuya Jan. Mag-fairway tayo soon. Tapos sabi ko, Kuya, G-Lock. Pero, girl, ang fairway kasi, kailangan, siya, hindi siya yung same lang sa driving range kasi kailangan mo mag-swing. Tapos kailangan mo maglakad-lakad, hanapin yung hole, ganyan, hanapin mo pa yung bola mo. Something like that. But yeah. But golf is a very nice sport. Kasi, parang, it will teach you some techniques. Hindi lang kasi siya puro sports. Meron ka din chance to socialize with the people. Yun lang gusto ko, chika-chika. But anyways, I'm so sleepy. So, I need to wash up. And then, bye-bye. Thank you for watching my vlog. Pagod na mata ko. Thank you. Bye-bye.